This is the boat that came in. There's what was left of his gimbal bearing, and now we've got another one in, got it back together, and here's the alignment tool. And it should go bottom out on the drive coupler, but it's not in a line. That white mark should go in about another 3 inches, and you can't even force it in. But I guess it really doesn't surprise me that it's not in a line. Since that's about the most bizarre motor I've seen. Someone's swapped the motor, and so it looks like we're going to have to raise the motor to get it to align, and that's what we'll do now.